1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? So we're learning songs in the key of well, it's key of A technically, but open D tuning. So, and open D tuning is like that: D A D, F sharp A D. So our E string goes down to a D. Our G string goes down to an F sharp. Tune it the same as the fourth fret D string. Second string goes down to an A, and first string goes down to a D. Okay, once you have that going, cap our 7th fret, and we're gonna play a couple of interesting chords. Before I show you the chords, I'll just show you the picking pattern. The strumming pattern, sorry. So bass, down, miss, up, down, up, bass. Bass down, up, bass down, up, bass down, up, bass down, miss, up, bass down, miss, up, bass down, miss, up, down. And you could also do bass up, down, up, bass up, down, up, bass up, down. That's the basis of it. Okay. So just basically like that. All right. Let's go to the chords. We've got these chords for the first section of the song: A sus4. You could add this finger. Sometimes he does that on one of the guitar tracks. And then D is just open. So A, G over B. Now you might see this G over B and G/D are very similar, but this because this one, he mutes the top string actually. But sometimes G over D is like this. Same chord, just a different bass note in the root. So very nice. A7 sus4. Sorry, next line. Make sure to download the PDF. The link is in the description with all the details, okay? E minor 7. So this is the G over B. And then this is E minor. And then B minor is just like that. Muting the top string, so make sure you play it. It's very difficult to mute that string, so I generally tend to play the bass notes just with a thumb, or mute with my thumb at the top. That's actually so that if I accidentally hit it, then it's still muted. So, and then G sus4 there is on the 4th fret like this. That's our G sus2 chord. But then he does this little riff with these two notes. get into that now when we get to the song. If you want to finger pick this, you could do this pattern, P, and then pinch. You could do it with that pattern if you wanted to. For the intro, we have quite a bulky intro here, which if you look at it, it's quite complicated. But just remember, the chords that are on this underlined like this are sharing a bar, and the chords that are not underlined don't share a bar and hold for 4 full beats. Okay. So I'm going to start and call out the chords as I'm playing them. So we start with A sus4, 4, D, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, A7, 3, 4, G over B, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, G over B, and then G over B again. 2, 3, 4, A7, G over B, and then E minor. 2, 3, 4, D, 2. So there, sorry, I just misplaced that, but the last part is D, 2. Pretty simple, and the verse kind of follows the same structure, although not exactly, but you can kind of you'll hear it, you know. Okay, so let's quickly play the verse, and I'm gonna sing it as we go along. This my excursion to day. That melody goes, but you get the idea. Okay, let's go to chorus. After the instrumental, we do chorus again. And you back with your rats, it's the stacks you low. So that's a really interesting part too. That's the first part. Bass up, down, up. Quite a tricky part to actually play correctly and make it sound good. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Put it on the community. Join the Jooba people. It's the best thing you're going to ever do. And have a nice day. See you. Bye.